We're going to get a new chain on the DeWalt 12-inch chainsaw, and it's a quick and easy procedure, and let's show you how it's done. So first things first, safety. Take the battery out, don't be an idiot. And not much to the saw. Just this one thumb screw, and that comes out eventually. There we go. And that exposes the chain and the bar. Bar comes right off. Chain comes right off the bar. And I just got a chain off of Amazon. It's pretty cheap, but really for this saw, I don't consider chains anything but disposable. I know I could sharpen them, but I really don't have time for that sort of thing. And this chain should last quite a while. So, chain just slips into the groove on the bar. And just be careful holding it in there, it's a little bit sharp. Slip the chain over the sprocket there, and the bar goes back on the 3 pegs there. There we go. And cover goes back on, just the same way it came off. And the other dial there is to loosen or tighten the chain. And just want a little bit of play on there. I don't want too much slop. So now looks like I need a little bit of bar and chain oil on there. So that pops right out. There's a sight glass I was showing there. Just using any bar and chain oil should work. And it actually, there's quite a bit that it takes there. And it just burped out a little air, so let's put some more in. There we go. Plug goes back in. Forward twist. And we can see the level. By golly, I think we got it. Let's put the battery in and give it a try. There she goes. And that is pretty much it. Appreciate you watching. Hope that helped out.